One, Deborah, watch your steps.
The sliding door in the time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas en la máquina. Gracias.
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine is slowly rotating backward. This is Conway Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
Recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future of the world. Egyptian pounding reeds back is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately tapestries. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of us can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade long and abstract, they create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it. called the Powerful Empire. To keep its arms strong, it was a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, bonding us into the
United States Republic.
But then there was a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or soon. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these books and travel as easy. Make it easier to invent the future is everything. And the result is an incredible explosion in innovation we call the Renaissance.
Amelia Earhart has gone where no other woman has gone before, and memory of her death indeed will assure but it is.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language. Not by hand, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we saved everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house. There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Years of time trust, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our Spaceship Earth.
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax, take things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. And carries all your files. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in to the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future. Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas, new innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open